Hindi sinabi sa atin kung anong ginawa nitong Lazarus na to deserve it. Paano siya naging karapat-dapat umupo doon. Maaring siya ay isang sagisag ng isang uri ng tao at lalo namang maaring isa siya talagang totoong taong nabuhay. Perhaps Lazarus is a symbol of certain types of people that heaven is greatly pleased with. Perhaps. But what Lazarus did to deserve this honor is unknown to us. Now, if the story was literal, and that's the first thing to consider in any biblical story, that it is literal, it implies that the next life is about balancing. Laging ang kwentong ito ay ginagamit upang ituro ang impyerno, langit, ang pinupuntahan ng mabuti at masama. Pero hindi naman tayo sinabihan na masama yung mayaman at hindi naman tayo sinabihan na mabuti sa Lazarus. Walang sinabi tungkol sa kanilang morality. At lagi din itong itinuturo na kung saan paraan. Pero mayroong isang napakahalagang aspeto ang kwentong ito na itinutuwid pag namamatay daw ang tao at ito ay pagbabalanse. Kita ninyo, mula sa gutom na Lazarus, biglang merong feast. At mula sa isang Lazarus na laging gutom uhaw, meron siyang iniinom. Ngayon siya ay nakakagalaw. So there was now food for the hungry, drink for the thirsty, comfort for those who suffer, acceptance and affirmation, even honor for those who have been rejected, and healing for the sick. Now, he was no longer sick, and he was happy. If the story was symbolic, it still teaches that God's kingdom is about balancing. So kung ang pagtanggap natin sa kasaysayang ito'y literal, aktual, o kaya isang sagisag, simbolo ng mas matataas sa katotohanan, pareho pa rin ang mensahe.